Hey! Kim Pao Killing Update. Behind the scenes of Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino's Christmas Station ID shoot. I absolutely adore the behind-the-scenes footage of Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino's Christmas Station ID shoot. Honestly, I find the BTS moments more captivating than the polished, formal video itself. There's something so raw and natural about it that really draws you in. You can see their effortless chemistry, and it speaks volumes about their connection.
Talaga namang na-enjoy ko ang behind-the-scenes footage ng Christmas Station ID shoot ni na Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino. Kung tutuusin, mas gusto ko pa nga ang BTS moments kaysa sa mismong formal na video. May something kasi na natural na vibe nito na talagang nakakuha ng atensyon. Kitang-kita ang kanilang natural na chemistry at malinaw nakikita ang koneksyon nila sa isa't isa.
Watching them interact, it's almost impossible not to notice the genuine affection between the two. You can almost feel the warmth and camaraderie, don't know if I pronounce that right, they share whether or not they're officially together. They don't need to confirm or explain anything about their relationship. Their actions, their smiles, and the way they look at each other, there truly says it all. It's a beautiful reminder that sometimes actions truly do speak louder than words.
Habang pinapanood sila, hindi mo maiwasang mapansin ang tunay na pagkakaakbay nila at ang init ng samahan nila. Kahit hindi man nila sabihin kung ano at talaga ang estado, tunay na estado ng kanilang relasyon para wala nang kailangan pang i-confirm. Ang kanilang galaw, mga ngiti at ang mga tingin nila sa isa't isa ay nagsasabi na ng lahat. Isang magandang paalala na minsan ang mga aksyon ay mas malakas pa kaysa sa mga salita. Stay tuned for more Kim Pao updates. Thank you!